Good morning, student. Just I am briefing little bit from the previous topic that I have not sent you any video. First of all, polynomial. What is polynomial? So this is a simple polynomial. Okay, simple polynomial means having one variable. Suppose you are having x, y, p, q, then this type of polynomial is known as a polynomial in two variable. This type of polynomial is known as a polynomial in one variable. Degree is always power, so that's why this is called degree. Now our concept is which one is not polynomial. If your variable is under root having any rational number, power as a rational number, or your variable is in denominator, then these type of algebraic expressions are not polynomial. Suppose instead of this you have root 2x square, like this, x square root 2 plus 3x. This is polynomial because root is not on your variable, this is on constant, then this is a polynomial having degree 2, and this is binomial because it has two terms. Second concept is coefficient. So find the coefficient of x. Find coefficient means you have to leave this and remaining you have to take as a answer. If I want the coefficient of y, so it's mean minus 6x because we have y square, that's why 1y is left. Z. If I want the coefficient of z, it's mean minus 6x square. Coefficient means you have to leave this particular whatever is your demand and the rest in the number is your answer. Our today's topic is simplify. Simplify, maybe you know that plus or minus. Simple you have to add. So first of all what we should do, we should manage according to the variable. Like here all are constant, all are having z square, all are yz, all are y square. Fine. First of all arrange like this. Now 2 plus 1 3, 8 minus 3 5, because 8 is greater, so that's why its symbol is going to be used. If you don't know the addition directly, then you can always take plus z plus common and your variable, then write your number minus 3. If no number is there, then 1 minus 2. Minus minus always plus, means minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 5 plus 1 means 5 minus 1 in actually is 4, because sign of this number 5 is greater than 1, then sign of this number is going to be used. Similarly, take y square common, 7 minus 9 minus 1, always take plus. Then after this if your answer is minus, then you can multiply plus into minus, plus into minus, 6 plus 2 8, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8, minus 8 plus 5 is 3. Fine. Two adjacent sides of rectangle. Adjacent side means this is a rectangle, this and this are adjacent having one common vertex. This and this are adjacent having one common vertex. This and this are adjacent having one common vertex. Same way this and this, so adjacent having one common vertex. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So you have one side and you have this side, so you can take any one as length and breadth. Put the value 6 3 minus 1 2, 6 minus 1 5. 6 is greater, sign is plus, so that's why answer will be in plus. So answer is multiply. Find the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter, always the meaning of perimeter means sum of all sides, so that's why just add all. Subtract this from this. Always put your from value on first. Subtract, so put the sign minus and then keep all these numbers in a bracket. After this multiply with minus. Plus become minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. Now simple calculation, b square plus b square 2b square, a square plus a square. If no number is there, it's mean this is 1. So 1 plus 1 2. Don't think so that a square plus a square is a4. No. Okay. So a square plus a square is 2a square. Fine. Okay. Don't add the powers. Just add the numbers. Now subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. So first of all find the sum. According to the question, subtract the sum of this means इसको हमने minus करना है कहाँ से? From this. So put the value minus this. Always whenever you have to subtract, then put the next situation in bracket. So you can multiply with symbol minus. Minus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus minus. Then 5x square plus 2x square 7x square. Similarly so on. What should be subtracted from this to get this? What should be subtracted from? It means it should be first. Subtract means minus. Take any any number, any literal number by yourself, but don't take x. When x is already there, don't take x. Take anything else. If it is minus, then shift this to right hand side and shift this to left hand side. Always whenever you are shifting, sign is changed. So put minus, then whole bracket, multiply of minus and do the calculation. What should be added to this to get C? What should be added? Suppose A is added to this to get this. If here is plus, then shift this value. Always put minus, then bracket. Multiplication with minus, do the calculation. Find the excess. Excess means jada, more. So how much excess? This from this. So we have to subtract this. Like how much excess? 4 over 2. It means 4 minus 2 is 2. Similarly this. So you have to subtract. How much does this excess exceed this? Ye exceed means again more. So whenever it is more, so you have to subtract. How much this less? Less is also how much? ये से कितना छोटा है? तो we have to subtract. The perimeter of a triangle is this and two sides are this and this. Find the third side. Suppose third side is 1. So this is given perimeter, sum of 3 sides. We have 2 sides and third we don't know. So that's why we have to add this. So we have to shift this minus, then put the bracket, multiply with minus, you get your third side. Perimeter of rectangle, we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So this is perimeter, this is one side and we don't know the second side. So we will open the bracket by multiplying it with 2. Now 2b will remain here, so we have to shift this, so sign will be changed, minus, we get it. This. So now 2b, this is the value of 2b, but we know we want only b. So for b we have to divide. Whenever it is multiply, it always divide on the other side. Fine. Don't try to do like this, 2 8s are. No, this is wrong way. So take 2 common. Take 2 common from all this. 2 8s are, 2 11s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Take 2 common and cancel at once. Or you can do like this also. 16x cube by 2 minus 22x square by 2 plus 6x by 2 plus 4 by 2, because this is 2 for all. So 2 8s are, 2 11s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Whatever you understand, you can follow this. Fine. Thank you and have a nice day.